Okay, this is Leah Applegarth again, and we're going to do lessons 4.5 and 4.6 from our consumer math book. And so 4.5 is bank statement reconciliation. Our lesson objective is to reconcile a check register with a bank account statement. And our keyword here is reconcile. And when you receive your bank statement, you reconcile or compare it with your check register to be sure they coincide or agree. So it's like reconciliation. It's when you come together and you agree on something. You may find some deposits or outstanding checks in your register that are not listed on the statement. This happens because the bank had not posted or recorded or processed or cleared them by the statement date. It is important for you to keep your bank account records accurate and up to date. You don't want to write a check for more money than you have in your account. If you do, you will overdraw the account and will be charged a penalty. When comparing the check register with the bank statement, the formula is, so I also want you guys to underline check register and bank statement, because that's what we're doing. We're comparing the check register with the bank statement. So here's what we do. We take our adjusted balance is what we have from the statement. So we take our statement balance. We subtract any outstanding checks, payments, and or debits, and add outstanding deposits. All right, for example, our statement balance is $598.67. We have an outstanding check for $125.44 and an outstanding debit, so something that's come out of our account but hasn't posted yet, of $235.42. You have an outstanding deposit of $231.98. What is your adjusted balance? Let me show you on my calculator how I would do that. Okay, so we start out putting our statement balance in our calculator. So that's $598.67. And then I'm going to subtract out the outstanding check, minus $125.44, minus the outstanding debit, $235.42, and then plus the deposit, the outstanding deposit, $231.98. And we get $469.75. How do we want to write that down? Well, here is what I want you guys to write down. I will highlight it for you. So I do want you to write down this part here and the 469.79. Okay, we're going to do these two practice problems together. So we're going to take our statement balance, or I'm going to get a pen. We're going to take our statement balance. We're going to subtract out our outstanding checks and add in our outstanding deposits. So when we do that, we get $374.47 minus $238.98 plus $140. And we get $378.98. All right, we'll do that one more time just to practice. In our calculator, we're going to put 772.33. We're going to subtract 283.75 and then add in 427.75. We get 619.33. We'll put a nice little dollar sign in front so we know that we're talking about money. All right, easy peasy. Let's try doing a little bit of a harder problem. grab my pointer. All right, we got Margaret Miller. Her check register balance is $2,261.50. She compares her statement and her check register. That's this item right here. For each check and deposit listed on her statement, so for each check and each deposit, she places a check mark next to the information in her register. We're going to do the same thing. She indicates that the check that the bank paid her 86 cents in interest. Margaret finds these outstanding checks and deposits. We got check number 525 and check number 527. So we are going to subtract those out. And then we also have a deposit that hasn't gone through. That's $709.75. So how does Margaret reconcile her statement? She reconciles the balance. She uses the form on the back of her bank statement to reconcile her account. So let's compare the two. So on the left-hand side is her check register, and on the right-hand side is her statement. So her check register is 2261.50. It's this one right here. And the statement from her bank statement says 2160.36. So if we're following along on our process, we get our statement balance, we minus the outstanding checks, payments, or debits, and we add in our outstanding deposits. So we're going to do that here with our statement. So on our statement, we are going to account for each of the checks. So check number 525 is $341.50. Check number 527 is $266.25. We're going to add those together to find the total that we subtract from our statement. So we subtract $607.75. We have an outstanding deposit or credit. It's actually of $709.75. So we're going to add that to our statement balance. And when we do that in our calculator, we got 2160.36 minus 607.75 plus the $709.75. We get 2262.36. Now we to just make sure that our check register matches this, so right now they don't match, we have to add in 86 cents in interest. When we do that, we then get our balance of $2,262.36. Okay, we're going to do a little practice on that here in number 3. So our check register balance is $8,754.33. That's here on the left under check register. He compares his statement with his check register. He notes that the bank paid him $2.86 in interest, $1.20 in service charge for a bill payment, and he's got 2 outstanding checks and an outstanding deposit. So we're going to fill in our check register information on the left and our statement information on the right, and we're going to total, so hopefully our new balance and our adjusted balance are equal. So service charge, we have a service charge of $1.20. So make it a little bit smaller. So that's $1.20. And then we have a interest charge. Of $2.86. And our new balance, if we look on our calculator, we got $8,754.33 minus the service charge of $1.20 plus $2.86 in interest. So we get $8,755 $0.99. Goes right there. Okay, and we're going to do the same, something similar with this guy over here. We're going to total our outstanding checks and debits. So we're going to add in our checks, which is $751.75 plus $2,455.89. We get $3,207.64 as our total outstanding checks or payments. Now we have to add all of our deposits together. Thankfully, it's only one little guy here. So it is $805.14. Then we are going to add, take our total amount, which is the $11,158.49. We're going to minus our outstanding checks or debits, $3,207.64. And then we're going to add our outstanding deposit of $805.14. We get $8,755.99. Which matches what we got for our check register balance. So once you are in balance, you are good to go. All right, we're just going to take that same concept and apply it to online banking. Sometimes items from online banking haven't been processed yet. So our goal for online banking is that we're going to compute online banking charges and update our check register. Sometimes, so we're going to use this information for our next problem. So in case you're wondering where these items are coming from, on the next problem, they're going to be from here. So you can use online banking to transfer funds from checking to savings or savings to checking, make loan payments from checking to loan accounts, make payments to a third party, get information about account balances, previous withdrawals, and loan balances. And just please remember that your total monthly service charge is adding all of your charges together. Please note that the cash advance charge is 2% of your total amount. Remember, we multiply our amount by 2% to get that. Okay, let's try it. So our buddy Alyssa, hold on, I need this guy. All right, so our buddy Alyssa uses online banking for her business, Alyssa's Personal Shopping. She pays a service charge, which was $6.95, has 7 bills. She requested a printed statement, which also costs money. She has ATM transaction, including 1 out of network, and a cash advance of $400, which we have to pay 2% of. What is her total service charge, including fees for the month? So if you look at all of her charges, her basic monthly charge was $6.95. She only needed, the first 5 bills are free, so she only needed to pay 50 cents for the 2 more that she got a bill payment for. So that's $1. To get a printed statement is $4. ATM service charge for out of network is $3. And then the cash advance charge was 2% times the $400, which gives us $8. So you're going to add all those together, and you realize that her total service charge is $22.95. All right, so let's look at Alyssa's bank statement here in example 2. So she's got a spreadsheet of this information, and we're going to look at how we update our check register based upon this information here. So the balance of her account was $2,895.90. We are going to write a check for the fabric store on 3/12 for $59.46. We minus it out of our balance and it goes on the end. Then, and if you look, that doesn't appear on her online bank statement, but this ATM withdrawal does appear on the bank statement. So we're going to take a little check mark. It's on our bank statement, so it's in our check register. So that matches. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our balance, minus out the $400, so we get $2,436.44. Then we're going to see, oh, there's the $2 service charge for the ATM. It's on our check register and it's on our bank statement, so we're going to check that off. And then we minus $2 from our balance total. Okay, the next item we have is this payroll. This they get a paycheck from Computer Inc. It's $1661.57. That's the same as it is over here. So we put a check mark on both. And we add in, because it's a deposit, we add it into our 2434.44, and we get $4,096.01. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be looking for is the service charge. And we do. We have these two service charges. So we're going to check them off in both places. So we're going to subtract 50 cents from 4096.01 to get 4095.51, and then we're going to subtract 50 more cents to get 4095.01. All right, the next thing we're looking for is a credit card payment. And here it is on both sides. So we put a check mark. And we subtract $3,341.29 from $4,095.01. We get $753.72. So the next thing that we're looking for is the youth payment, the Finley youth payment, online payment. Okay, of $100, because we've got to support those youths. So we're going to minus $753.72 minus $100 is $653.72. We didn't even need to get a calculator for that. The next, we're going to be looking for a check for Food Town, and there it is, $30.55. We minus these two. It appears on both our online bank and our check register. Boop, boop. And then last but not least, we have the insurance company for $153.39. We subtract that from our $623.17, and our final balance is $469.78. Still outstanding is this fabric store check, but we can't force it to get put in there. All right, and that's it for our lesson today.